Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good evening, Western Oregon. Today has been sunny, of course. There's been very little change over, well, really the last entire week, up today and tomorrow as well. But there is change coming up early next week, and then things change after that even more. So it's not going to be as stagnant moving forward. But for today, something that hasn't changed, which is good news, is the fire danger. We are looking at, again, high fire danger everywhere except for Douglas County, where we are extreme, and there isn't even any individual sections of the other counties that are in the extreme either. So we're still just sitting at high fire danger, which isn't good, of course, but it's better than being in that extreme level. Thankfully, we've had this pretty average week, and that's kept things relatively safe for our fire conditions. Well, as safe as high can be. We haven't seen a big drying event. Unfortunately, it looks like it is one of the changes that we will be seeing later into next week, however. But moving from our fire danger today, it's going to be a relatively smoky one into tomorrow morning, likely. We did have a National Weather Service air quality advisory that went up today and expires 5 o'clock, but I think they will likely end up issuing another one for tomorrow as well, because what we're looking at here is the near surface smoke. And 5 o'clock, the models are going to show all of that pushing off to the east, which is why that's when the expiration of that is. But I think we'll see that starting to return. Again, this is near surface smoke, so this is what you feel in your lungs. It's not necessarily what's in the upper atmosphere. They tend to decouple, but let's move forward a couple hours in time here. 7 o'clock, and we still see all of the smoke from near Oak Ridge streaming out towards the southeast. But as we get later into the evening, 10 o'clock here, you can see a little bit of that sloshing back, and I think that's going to be filling the valley for Sunday morning because it continues into Sunday morning. It's not necessarily over Eugene as far as the models are concerned, but if we see dying winds, that could likely be the case, so we might wake up a little bit smoky for tomorrow. However, there is still one day remaining of those west winds keeping things nice, so I wouldn't expect it to be too bad, just maybe a little smoky. Now, today is the second to last day of the Lane County Fair, and you can still make it. The doors don't close until 10 o'clock, and then there's still an hour 11 when the actual entire fair shuts down for the night, so the temperatures aren't so bad either. 10 o'clock, we're still sitting at 68 degrees, so you might be slightly chilly, but not cold, certainly. And for the next several hours, we're still going to see sunshine. Sunset at 8:42, so it's still going to be nice and sunny out there. You do have to remember as well, that's on blacktop, so it's really warm and it holds on to that heat, so likely even warmer than it looks like for the air temperatures. Now, the big changes I want to talk about here are going to take place starting Monday. Check this out. You'll see it on the 7-day forecast, but as we get into Sunday, there's a little bit of a shake-up Sunday evening with some cloud coverage that comes in. Then we've got a disturbance that runs through and potentially makes its way into the valley as rainfall Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday morning. It's really hard to tell at this point, but it looks like we'll see some rain. Likely that's going to help with fire danger. Then you'll see on the 7-day forecast, there's actually temps rising right after that. Check it out. So 7-day forecast, you see that rain coming through on Tuesday on the coast, sitting close to about 68 all the way through. A little warmer Wednesday at 69, but look at the Umpqua Basin. So it's all over the place. Sunshiny today, tomorrow. Rain chance Tuesday morning up to 97 Thursday. Cascade passes smoky in the 70s. Rain chance Tuesday up to 89 as we get into Thursday. Willamette Valley, same pattern. 85 today, 84 tomorrow. Lowering through those two rain chances up to 95 Thursday.